अंग्रेजी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ आपने विचार श्रवण करने जी प्यार ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib in Rag Bilawal. Rag Bilawal provides the joyful and cheerful mood. Dhan Dhan Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, the fifth embodiment of Dhan Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, reveals in today's Hukamnama that we need focus for anything we do. If you want to achieve something in your life, you want to be a doctor, you want to be a lawyer, you want to be an engineer, you need focus. Samad and Sahaj. Guru Maharaj has used two words. Sahaj means your innate nature, how you think, subconsciously how you think, how you do things, what is your passion. For few things, we have to make effort. Sahaj Avastha is where you do not have to make effort. It's your nature. Automatically, you follow Guru's hukam, Sahaj Avastha. A doctor who has to operate on someone, do the heart operation, does the operation without even thinking. You drive the car without even thinking, you have to press the clutch pedal now, you have to press the brake pedal, or you have to shift the gear. Because you have been driving car for so long, it has become your second nature. Sahaj. You don't think. You are even talking. You are even listening to the music, listening to the CDs or radio in your car. Similarly, to attain merger with Vaheguru, we need the Sahaj Avastha. And then Guru Maharaj has used the word Samad. Samad means trance, where there is no other thought at all except Vaheguru. Sahaj Samad Anand Sukh. Anand means eternal joy, the bliss. Sukh means comfort. Pure Gurudeen, perfect Guru, has blessed me with the Sahaj and Samad. And as a result of that, my life is blissful and comfortable. If today people aren't happy, they feel miserable, the reason is their samadhi, their trance is on something else. Like a bagla. Bagla is crane. Guru Maharaj has compared two birds in the Gurbani. A crane and a hans, swan. They look absolutely the same. They are both white, size is similar, but one is hypocrite. The crane, the bagla, is hypocrite. Stands on one leg on the river bank, looks like a saint, looks like the crane is in trance, very holy bird. But when the fish appears on the surface of the water, the crane grabs it. Bagla onu phad lenda. So hypocrite. But on the other hand, Hans has a samadhi as well. Hans, the swan, always picks up the pearls from the water. Pearls, hire. Similarly, Gurmukhs have been compared with the Hans, swan. The Gurmukhs are swans. The Manmukhs, on the other hand, those who are hypocrite, they are like crane. So our samadhi, our focus should be on Vaheguru. But only Guru can help us to attain that. How Guru Maharaj helps us? Guru Maharaj tells us that you have to search in your own mind. You know, people spend thousands and thousands of pounds to go to pilgrimage. ਤੀਰਥ ਯਾਤਰਾ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਲੋਕੀ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਖਰਚ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋਟਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੁਕਿੰਗ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ. They book the hotels. They go to pilgrimage thinking that by bathing there in the holy sacred river or pool, they are going to become pure. But Guru Maharaj reveals, Kahe re ban khojan jai. Why you are searching around for God everywhere? Sarab Nivasi, Vaheguru resides in everyone. Nivas means to abide, to live. Sarab Nivasi, Sada Alepa, Tohi Sang Samai, Vaheguru is within you as well. Now question is, how we realize Vaheguru? Guru Maharaj is so difficult. Guru Maharaj gives us the advice. Try to understand who you are. What is your name? My name is Mr. A. Singh. Great. But that name A. Singh is there as long as you are living. It meant nothing before you were born. It will mean nothing after you are gone. Yeah? You are not what you think you are. Try to understand. So Guru Maharaj reveals in the Shabad, Bahar Bhitar eko jano, e gur gyan batai, jan nanak bin apa chine, mite na pram ki kai. Pram means doubt. Kai means moss. You have moss of doubts around your thinking, around your mind. It's not going to go away until you recognize who you are. Man tu jot swaroop hai, apna mool pachan. Man harji tere naal hai. Gurmati rangban. So your samadhi, your trance should be in you. That's the purpose of meditation. Purpose of Simran is to recognize who you are. You are not Mr. A. Singh. That is temporary. You are Vaheguru's Roop, Vaheguru's Jot. Mantu Jot Swaroop hai, apna mool pachan. So Guru Maharaj reveals, where is God? Guru Maharaj inspires us to look at the flowers. Puhap mad jaise baas basat hai. Can you feel the aroma, scent of the flowers? Can you? Yes, answer is yes. I can smell the roses. That is how Vaheguru is present around you. You can't see Vaheguru. You can't sense Vaheguru, but Vaheguru is there. Puhap mad jo baas basat hai, mukkar mahe jaise chai. Vaheguru is detached. Although Vaheguru is pervading throughout the creation, like when you stand in front of the mirror, you can see your image. If you break the mirror, you think you have broken yourself, you are still intact. Similarly, Vaheguru's reflection is throughout the whole creation. But when creation ends, Vaheguru is still there. Like there's a moon in the sky. If you place a lot of pots filled with water on the ground, you see reflection of moon in every pot. But if you take the pots away, the moon is still there. Vaheguru is still there. So that is how Vaheguru is around us. And Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Maharaj inspires us to search our own mind. तैसे ही हर बसे निरंतर घट ही खोजो पाई. घट means mind. Search your mind. So then you can attain that trance, samadhi. Vaheguru is with us all the time. Sada Sahai Sang Prabh. Sahai means helper. Vaheguru is helper all the time. Sang Prabh is with you. Amrit Gun Cheen. Understand Vaheguru's gun. Cheen means to recognize. Without Vaheguru's gun, you can't do bhakti. Sab gun tere main nahi koe vin gun kite bhagat na hoye. You can do Sahaj part, you can do Akhand part, you can listen to the Kirtan 24 hours 7 until you have compassion, truth and contentment in your life. You are not acceptable to Vaheguru. Cheen, understand, recognize what gun, what qualities you need to be with Vaheguru. Forgiveness is required. Sweetness in your words, in your language, that is required. What is the end result? When we attain the avastha of intuitive peace and samadhi, Jai Jaikar Jagatra Meh Lochai Sab Jiya. Jai Jaikar means hailed or praised. The whole world will honor you, praise you. So prasanna bhaye Satgur Prabhu kach bigan na thiya. Bigan means obstacle. There won't be any obstacle in your way in merger with Vaheguru. You will become one with Vaheguru. Now you have attained the samadhi, that trance where in your thoughts you have Vaheguru 24/7. You have compassion, you have truth. Now there is no obstacle in your way. Janka ang dayal prabh taake sab das. Those who have Vaheguru on their side, ang means part of the body. When Vaheguru becomes part of your body, Vaheguru takes your side, and Vaheguru is so compassionate, taake sab das, and the whole creation will serve you. Asi kehne sanu Raj chahiਦਾ. We need the Raj. You will get the Raj, you will get the kingdom if you listen to the Guru. The message is so clear. Sada Sada Vadiyaiya Nanak Gurpas. These are the Vadiyaiya, the glory of my true Guru. If you want glory, you come to the Guru, listen to the Guru. Have tolerance, treat everyone with respect. प्यार नाल रहो, एक दूजे दा मान करो, सत्कार करो, ईर्खा नू छड्डो. Give up all the jealousy, anger, your greediness. Then only you can have true trance to be one with Vaheguru. Saad Sangat ji, Bhai Jetha ji came to Guru Amar Das ji just as a Gursikh. He did seva with such a devotion. Bhai Jetha ji was hugged by Guru Amar Das ji and said, "You are my ang, you are part of me now." And Bhai Jetha ji became the fourth Guru, Tan Tan Guru Ram Das ji. Tan Tan Ram Das Gur, Jin Sirya Tine Swarya Puri Hoi Karamat Aap Sirjan Hare Tarya. This was a miracle. An orphan child becomes the Guru of the whole world. Puri Hoi Karamat. Karamat is miracle. Aap Sirjan Hare Tarya. Vaheguru himself put Guru Ram Das ji on the throne of the Guruship. So this is the glory of the Guru. Keep in Chardi Kala. Forgive me for all the mistakes I've made, and also pray that we are able to get to the depth of the wisdom Guru is trying to impart to us, and we can lead a life of total bliss. Sahaj, Samad, Anand Sukh, Pure Gurdeen. Sada Sahai Sang Prabh, Amrit Gunchi. Vaheguru ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru ji ki Fateh.